Hi, I'm Dave Wilson, Global Sales Director for MacPanel.
My name is Braden Hughes with MacPanel. I'm an account support manager.
We're the experts at providing an interconnection between the piece of test equipment and any item that's being tested.
That might be in the form of one of our connector offerings or through our interfaces. And we also provide engineering and wiring and manufacturing services.
In this video, we're going to take a look at a major project that we did for a customer where we dramatically reduced the time that it took to get this test system up and running. So when we're talking to a new customer, the very first thing we do is we seek to understand exactly what they need. So the onboarding process is very different dependent on their requirements. Some customers have a very complex technical requirement. Others need to connect maybe hundreds of times over the life of a product. So we listen to what customers want and we provide them exactly what they need.
For this example, MacPanel came into it knowing that the customer needed to drastically reduce their time to test for a very in-depth system that they were developing.
In a normal project of this type, the engineering team would develop the product, and pretty close to the end of that development process, the test engineering department would get involved and look at how they were going to test this product. On this occasion, the timeline just didn't allow for that. So the customer had to start to develop their test strategy almost at the start of the project.
By partnering with MacPanel, what we were able to offer them is streamlined solutions by using our engineering team to co-work with their engineering team in order to design, and at the same time stagger some other parts of the project. The key requirements for this solution were to provide the customer with an interconnect solution so that they could adequately test their DUT, or device under test. We were able to do this by providing them with a top-of-the-line interface through our Scout system. This connects their instrumentation that they're going to use to test to their device. We also had to provide them with a multitude of cabling and wired adapters. And in addition to the physical deliverables, we also had a large amount of engineering that also went into the project. Our engineering team was able to provide the customer with the support they needed in order to get the solution that they needed for this particular test set. We provided them with project management to keep the project on track and also provide risk mitigation along the way. A multitude of all of these deliverables that provided the customer with the solution that they could take to their customer in order to win future business. So by partnering with us, we were able to bring in different sections of the MacPanel company in order to bring their test time from an approximately 3 years from design to implementation into under a year.
This project was for a major aerospace customer, but the principles that we applied could equally have applied to any of our customer base. Not only did the customer put themselves in an excellent position to be able to win this new business, but they developed an approach to developing new product that would reduce the time to develop this new product and also reduce costs. So not only did they get a benefit on this particular project, but they've got benefits that are going to last for a long time to come. Dramatic success for everybody concerned.